Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Allen's equipment from Maine, and this is the initial checkout. These are highly collectible lamps, and they're really cool units. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with Mickey. We have troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that in the past there was a fusible link that was installed on the main PC board. We want to go ahead and remove that fusible link on the main PC board, and we're going to upgrade that situation. So we'll take care of that issue. We also know that the main power PC board has a lot of bad solder. So we want to resolder the main PC board. We also want to troubleshoot the entire unit while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this really cool animated Mickey lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and our conversion for the fusible link. And we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now, we've already plugged the unit in, and we've turned the switch on, the main power switch, at the back of the base of Mickey. Now, we also want to mention the electronics that are associated with the animated lamps is pretty delicate. Power surges can affect these type of units, and you never want to use these lamps in any type of an electrical outlet that's loose. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
Now we're going to wait a second. It's not good to turn these type of lamps on and off quickly. Go ahead and turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We'll go ahead and wait a second. You'll turn the lamp back on.
Ah, that's better.
Now, Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off one last time and then back on.
Hey, who turned out the... Oh, I did.
And we'll go ahead and turn the lamp on.
What a bright idea.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Allen and they can enjoy this lamp. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.